Have you ever wondered what happens underneath your kitchen cabinets on the island? Today we're going to discover what we need to get done inside those areas of the island before you put that slab of granite over it. Because once it's covered, you ain't going back in. So come on in here. This is cedar and slate. We got a dish pantry. We got this nice workstation. And then we're going to work our way here. This is our normal pantry. We've got our dirty kitchen. This is where all the mess happens, where your guests don't have to see what's going on. And we're gonna go into the main kitchen where you've got your double islands, massive double islands. And these ones in particular, they don't have a dividing wall or any kind of structural wall. The cabinets are acting as the structure. So we've got these nice chases or runways down between that we can run all of our wires, our plumbing, anything else we need. So we have to be prepared before these countertops go in to make sure we've got wires for electricity that goes to our plugs. Before construction, we ran power underneath the ground from that power wall all the way underneath here, and it's stubbed up underneath. So we've got all this power so we can disperse it to where we need to go. You've got your plumbing for your main sink here. You gotta make sure that gets in through the cabinets. And then all your wiring to all the, these high-end homes have a lot of features on them that you're going to have to run power to, not just receptacles. Some of these have servos in the cabinets that you kick it with your knee and they come out automatically. There's other features that are going on, that you got your dishwasher, you got to have the plumbing, you got to have the electrical for that. Some of them have double dishwashers, so there's a lot going on in here that you don't see, that you got to make sure you're prepared, have done before you put this nice piece of solid surface on the top. Cabinet companies today, we got to think about portability as far as getting it onto the job site, getting it through doorways. So you build these cabinets modularly and put them together on site. So you'll see that you've got a box here, a box here, a box here. This is your, I think this is your sink basin on this one, because we got plumbing. So now you got your dishwasher opening, you got another box here, box, 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 box. So you put this together modularly so you can get it into tight spaces. You're not carrying in heavy portions of the cabinets. So one man can put this together. They can offload it and put it together. That's why it's done modularly. So some of the unique features on this kitchen with this paneled layout. You lay this out with these doors so it all looks like panels, but you wanted drawers. So they can do that with these. So you can keep the door, but still have drawers. These have got a lot of nice little features with these chrome accents. The walnut inside. You got your trash receptacle here. It's got this nice piece of metal on top to protect that wood cabinet door from getting destroyed from moisture when you're throwing things into the trash from the sink. You're handling it with your wet hands. So that's a nice little feature because it's going to get destroyed if you don't. Of course, you have your nice drawers if you want them. Over here to keep the consistent handles on these ones. So you didn't have, big drawers in here with just one handle in the middle and these two on the side. They kept the consistency with the look of the doors. But this one opens up and has these two smaller drawers. And over here, this one looks like two doors, but it's actually one big drawer. And you've got your smaller drawer above. So as you notice on these cabinets, we've got this consistency of handles and the squares that match the drawers and doors. So you've got this look, right? But say I don't want to have to reach into a cabinet to get a pan out. So you create a drawer and a drawer within. So everything's reachable right here, but it still looks like it's doors. Same thing over here, it's just a little different concept. We've got actual doors with drawers. So it's the same idea, different layout, but everything's consistent. Here's a little feature in here. I don't want to totally uncover it, but it's a pretty sick hood, all polished. We'll reveal that later. Hey guys, thanks for coming by Cedar and Slate. There's gonna be a ton more on this project that we'll get to show you soon, but we're on our way to the finish line and things are just getting exciting.